Welcome to an episode of Snake Herping, where we don't find any snakes, at least not yet. We found a toad, an icepod, some dead crawfish, a water skipper, and a cough drop. There's little holes here. I don't know if you can see, but it goes really down. Not that we want to stick our hand in there, because there's rattlesnakes. But there might be bull snakes in there. The search continues. Ooh, pretty flowers. What have we found? We found a toad! We name this toad.
It's a bull toad, right?
No.
No. Just blanked on the name.
Yeah. Some plains. Hi, Jeff. How's your day going? Thanks for joining us on Snake Herping today. All right, Jeff. Why do you do that? Has escaped. Goodbye, Jeff.
Goodbye, never to see you again.
Off goes Jeff.
Found a nest.
Cool nest.
But still no reptiles.
No reptiles, except for that snake shed, but isn't a reptile. And we found a toad. That's an amphibian, so it doesn't count. Also, there's a birdhouse. So speaking of those nests, apparently they're magpie nests. Kind of look like squirrel nests.
Right here.
Yeah, that's a swallow, but the nests we found are probably magpies. Sing your song again. Beautiful. Thank you. Bird on the road / trail. It's not a road runner, but it has the spirit of a road runner. Random bird for joining us on Snake Herping today. How is your day going? Good. Thank you. That will be all. Okay, bye.